Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Elementor update or publish button right there is not working for you. Now as you can see it's working for me and it is here, but let's try and show you some options which will help you with this button. So first of all, you want to try and delete some sections from your web page. So for example this one. If I try to delete it, then update, maybe it will work for you. Just try to do this. If not, if it doesn't work, then what you need to do is go ahead to your file manager. So it is here on my DreamHost account. I'm just gonna click Manage Files, or you can find it on your cPanel file manager. After that, you want to go ahead and increase admin Ajax PHP timeouts. So we want to go ahead and find your htaccess file. So I'm just gonna go here and here it is. Now you want to go ahead and click on it and edit it. Just like so, and we're gonna enter the code here. So what you want to do is go ahead and write down this code, and I'm just gonna write it right there. Now if module timed out, then the files admin Ajax dynamic timeout would be 150, and then you close these ones. Now once you've done that, you want to go ahead and save it, and now you can go back here on Elementor and try to update it and see if it works. Maybe you want to also refresh the page. Now what we also need to do is increase WP memory limit. So you want to go back again to your file manager, and on public HTML or on your website you want to find the file wp config php, so this one, and you want to click on it and you want to edit it. So we're going to click show editor, but this is not this one. Let's go ahead and edit it here. And now we again need to add a code, and we will add it before this one. That's all. Stop editing, happy blogging. So we want to put it right there. I'm just going to open up my notes, and you want to add it right there. And that's how it looks like. You want to increase the memory limit. Now I'm just going to save it. And again, you want to maybe refresh the page with Elementor and then try to click update or publish and see if that works. Now you can also actually divide work into some multiple templates and save it. For example, save this one as a template. Save as a template like so, template name, and save it, and then delete it from here. Or again, you can try and delete some of these options, for example this one, and maybe you want to try and delete it from here, and again try to update it just like so. As you can see, there was a server error because I have deleted them and also changed a little bit on my file manager. Now what we also want to do is go ahead to WordPress. Now you want to go ahead and find Elementor and click on Tools. And now we're going to need to replace URL. So from update site URL. So I'm just going to write down our site. So we need to change it from HTTP to HTTPS and replace URL just like so. And that's basically it. That's how you can do this. Just try again with Elementor and update button. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.